Well, I wanted to share a quick comparison of these two Chenille microfiber rugs that I purchased on Amazon. This one is the Gorilla Grips rug, and this one is the OLANLY brand. They both have a non-stick, slip-resistant backing. Here's what the stitching looks like on the OLANLY, and here's what the stitching looks like on the Gorilla Grips. The Gorilla Grips is advertised as being thicker and highly absorbent, and the OLANLY is advertised as being softer and absorbent. This is a more budget-friendly rug, and then this is a more premium-priced rug. And in terms of non-slip, this one seems to be staying in place well, and this one has been working really well for our family on our tile bathroom. So my suggestion, if you're going for budget, the OLANLY is pretty good. However, the fibers are a little thinner, and if you're looking for higher quality, probably more absorbent, the Gorilla Grips is a little bit thicker of a material. Well, I hope this review was helpful. Be sure to follow me on Amazon for even more worth it home finds. And check out my YouTube channel as well.